Before we are addressing the elephant in the room, I see a lot of people asking for a shout-out in the videos. Well guys, shout-outs are for channel members only. If you want to be part of it, there is a link in the description down below. Come join us and be part of the pack. Now guys, you better buckle up. Crypto enthusiasts and gaming fanatics, because we're about to unpack some serious price action that could make your head spin faster than a hamster on a wheel. Picture this. You're scrolling through your favorite exchanges, eyeing those hamster prices, when suddenly you notice something fishy. The numbers are doing a little dance across different platforms. What's the deal? Is this the calm before the storm, or just another day in the crypto circus? Stick around, because we're about to crack this case wide open and maybe, just maybe, uncover a golden opportunity that could have you squealing with delight. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. As of this very moment, Hamster Kombat tokens are showing some interesting moves across the big-name exchanges. We're talking Binance, OKX, Bybit, Gate.io, and more. The prices are hovering around the 0.645 to 0.651 range. Not exactly earth-shattering stuff at first glance, right? But hold your hamsters, because these tiny differences could be the key to unlocking some serious gains. So, what's causing these mini price gaps? It all boils down to a cocktail of factors that would make even the most seasoned bartender's head spin. We're talking liquidity, volume, and the age-old dance of supply and demand. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, liquidity. Think of it as the oil that keeps the crypto engine running smooth. When you've got a token that's easier to buy and sell than hotcakes at a breakfast buffet, that's high liquidity for you. It means you can trade without worrying about sending the price into a tailspin with every move you make. Now, volume is liquidity's partner in crime. High trading volume means there's a party going on, and everyone's invited. More trades equal more liquidity, which usually translates to stable prices and tighter spreads. It's like a positive feedback loop that keeps the good times rolling. But here's where it gets juicy. Different exchanges can have different levels of liquidity and volume for Hamster. Maybe Binance is throwing a Hamster Kombat festival, while Gate.io is having a quiet day. This can lead to those teeny-tiny price differences we're seeing. Enter the arbitrage ninjas. These savvy traders are always on the lookout for price gaps they can exploit faster than a hamster can stuff its cheeks. They'll buy low on one exchange and sell high on another, pocketing the difference and inadvertently helping to even out those prices. Now let's talk supply and demand, the ultimate power couple of economics. Imagine Hamster suddenly becomes hotter than a habanero because of some killer game update or a celebrity hamster endorsement. Hey, stranger things have happened in crypto. Demand skyrockets on one exchange, pushing the price up like a hamster in a rocket ship. Meanwhile, another exchange might be lagging behind, creating a juicy arbitrage opportunity for quick-fingered traders. But it's not all sunshine and sunflower seeds. The crypto market can be as unpredictable as a hamster in a maze. Big players, often called whales, though giant hamsters might be more fitting in this case, can make waves with their massive trades. If one of these behemoths decides to dump a truckload of hamster on a particular exchange, it could send prices tumbling faster than a hamster off its wheel. And let's not forget about those seasonal trends and events. Crypto conferences, gaming tournaments, or even National Hamster Appreciation Day, it's a thing, look it up, could spark sudden interest in hamster, causing price spikes across different platforms. Now you might be wondering, is all this price action leading up to something big? Well, my friend, that's the million-token question. While we can't predict the future, if we could, we'd all be sipping pina coladas on our private islands. These price discrepancies could be hinting at some underlying momentum. Think about it. If more and more traders start noticing these arbitrage opportunities, it could lead to increased activity across all exchanges. More activity means more liquidity, which could attract bigger players to the hamster party. And when the big boys and girls start playing, that's when things can get really interesting. But here's the kicker: timing is everything in this game. Those price gaps can disappear faster than a hamster through a tube. Blink, and you might miss your chance. That's why some traders use automated bots to scan for these opportunities 24/7. It's like having a tireless hamster assistant always on the lookout for the best deals. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing in the world of arbitrage. There are risks involved, like sudden market swings or exchange issues that could leave you high and dry. It's a bit like trying to predict which way a hamster will run when you open its cage. Exciting, but potentially hazardous to your financial health if you're not careful. So, what's the bottom line for all you Hamster Kombat enthusiasts out there? Keep your eyes peeled and your trading fingers ready. These small price differences might seem insignificant now, but they could be the early warning signs of bigger moves to come. Remember, in the world of crypto, today's pocket change could be tomorrow's treasure chest. Hamster might be gearing up for its moment in the spotlight, and you don't want to be caught napping when it happens. Stay informed, stay agile, and most importantly, stay curious. The crypto market is like a never-ending Hamster Kombat tournament. There's always another round, another opportunity, and another chance to come out on top. So, are you ready to jump into the Hamster Kombat arena? The tokens are priced, the exchanges are humming, and the potential for action is higher than a hamster's heart rate. Whether you're in it for the quick arbitrage plays or you're holding on for dear life, one thing's for sure: the world of hamster is never dull. Keep your eyes on those exchange prices, your finger on the pulse of the market, and who knows, you might just find yourself riding the next big Hamster Kombat wave all the way to the top. Just remember, in this game, it's not about who has the fluffiest fur or the fastest wheel. It's about who can spot the opportunities and act on them with lightning speed. So what's your move going to be? Are you going to sit on the sidelines, or are you ready to dive into the Hamster Kombat fray? The choice is yours, but one thing's for certain: the world of hamster waits for no one. And now, before I go, here is a huge shout out to all of my Epic channel members: Mohammed Albada Moyakara, Enoxen001, Marinovitube, Okemdichiamameze, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edet, Enger Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Seisan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Addie Queen, Jacob Malo, Ekeni Okwoza, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwale Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Equime Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithemia, Dotun Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifedigbo Chukwabuka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canarezio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ahimadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleaveths and Wealth, Ruth Ekenim, Raida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Maller, Sir Wills, Miss Baudine Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chia Dozi Masirionia, Isa Tahir, Sawari Ionel, Petri Pikanen, Shalk, Bello Muhammad Jallo, Prince Orji Siokorie, Samsonite Amos, Ikechukwu Jonas Okafor, Omali Ohonagwa, Johnson Gidi, Raji Abdul, Arabi Hamza Yakubu, Paragon, Keston Balogun, Akwanuki Chris, Omosefe Inogieru, Ifi Christine Achi, Uduak Ituk, Rubani Nakushbandi, Adnork Globalin, Dorothy Mulenga, Shimakumba, Julian Shupman, Legend of God, Concern Pharmacy, Emeti Chinadu, Priska, Abul Daria, Usman Safianu, SMB Designs, Emmanuel Josiah. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Let's get ready to rumble, crypto fam. I will see you all very, very soon. Ciao.